Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, 2025. I am here at Port 32 Marina. This is a before video of Karissa, Leigh, to where we can see exactly what we are going to be dealing with when it comes to the bow thruster. And I'm going to go ahead and just update the zinc since I'm here. So I see the issue with the bow thruster. Currently it is wiggling. It is really deep in the bow thruster well. So I'm going to do everything I can to get that out and then re-inspect exactly how everything is moving. And then as far as zincs go, it looks like there's a 2 1/4 inch shaft zinc, and then it looks like you have a spot for an R5 rudder zinc, and those are the only zincs that I could find. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready for doing that bow thruster, and then I'll get an after video of it.